में, और ये आपने डील की है और क्वांट सिस्टम को एक्वायर कर रहे हैं, पहले तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा कुछ जानकारी दे सके तो हमें।
Good morning, all. Thanks to all of you for giving this opportunity for us. We have acquired the all-cash deal of one system for 165 million, 65 million upfront payment, and 95 million is payable over a period of 2 years on revenue and EBITDA achievement. This company is present in a very, very strong technology with data analytics, cloud, cloud modernization, and also they have in Salesforce technology, they have IP also in this company. Very strong growing company. From last year to current year, revenue has grown 48%. Next 2 years, it is expected to be high growth. The percentage may moderate considering the size impact, but definitely this is a fast growing company. Very strong EBITDA margin in the low to mid 30s EBITDA margin for this company. Very, very strong cash flow in this company, and very, very strong hand their presence in BFS as well as healthcare and retail. And marquee customers, their customers, 2 out of their customers will join as a top 5 customer for us. Expecting strong growth and very good profitability for the organization. This is a very, very strategic move for us. This is going to help us to grow faster with good margin.
That we can see, sir, the way it is all cash, cash based deal, and of course you have said that according to performance also the additional payment would be done. That's a very interesting model what you are using in this deal. So that shows that how positive you are about the market and about this deal and about the output what you are going to give. If you can just explain what will you be you will be tapering which markets? Only the overseas market, or you are seeing some of the business coming to India market as well?
India, they have delivery center in Hyderabad, but this is completely a US focused company, and we are addressing only the US market through this. Their presence in very high-end digital services helps us to penetrate into this kind of a high-end services segment, and they are in the core focus verticals for us also. Very, very strategic, and hence we will focus only on US market for now. We will be able to cross-sell our services into their customers because the customers have a very, very high IT spend. 2 of the customers have more than $1 billion of IT spend per annum. So this is going to help us to grow in this market.
So during such times when, of course, we are talking about recession and everything, and you have gone ahead and done this deal, that shows that there is a lot of demand in US market. What we were hearing here, that there is recession and problem, and also the third quarter numbers have proved us wrong, that they've been robust. How do you see the market expansion now on with this acquisition?
We have always been positive. Even in Q3, we have told everybody were reporting 2-3%. We reported 4.8%, and we are positive for every quarter growth now. And we expect our pipeline is very strong for Sonata Software, and with this Quant system, the growth will be very strong. Expected to be very strong for us.
So would you want
we are not seeing any impact of recession. We are not seeing any impact of recession in the ground.
That's absolutely good news. But would you want to give us some, numbers for margins or revenue or some guideline for that?
No, we don't want to give a guideline at present, but it will be a very high growth company. And last year, their growth was 48%. The growth percentage can moderate, but because of the size, because they have grown in size now. But definitely a high growth company, and their EBITDA margins are low to mid 30s. That's the kind of margin their profile they command. EBITDA margin and very, very strong in cash flow also. The company has all these good customers, large deals are coming, and very, very Fortune 500 companies are there, and 2 customers are very marquee, and they directly come into top 5 for us.
You named a few verticals, retail and a few others. On which vertical would you think that this acquisition would be more beneficial number-wise?
BFS is a major vertical for them. So this is going to add, already we are present in BFS. This is going to add to the BFS and expand our presence in BFS. The second is healthcare. We have presence, but very small presence. This is going to bring us with a big bang entry into the healthcare segment. Very strong customer, Fortune 500 company. So we are getting into a strong customer with a strong service, very premium services, and into a strong growth segment. With this, retail is the third vertical which we are getting addition because of that.
And do you think with this acquisition you would be able to tape more clients?
Yes, this acquisition will be able to leverage and get into more deeper into the new customers in this two verticals, BFS and healthcare.
Great.